Hello my beauty subscribers and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Slick, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account that works, send money and receive money in Nigeria in 2024. If you have been looking for how to create PayPal account in Nigeria, this is the video you are looking for. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right now. Turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a video on this channel. So now let's go into the topic of today. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a new PayPal account with this method for you to see how it works. So all you need to do right now is watch this video today and make sure you watch every step I use in creating this account. I'm going to use a computer, but it's still the same method on your mobile phone. Just make sure you follow the steps from A to Z. So there are a few things I need to let you know before you go ahead and open this particular PayPal account. The first thing is that you don't need a VPN. Please, you don't need a VPN to create this account. And for those that have actually created a PayPal account before on their mobile phone and they have been banned, you need to download a new browser or you clear the cache of your browser. You know what I mean? If you don't know how to clear the cache, make sure you download a new browser that is different from the browser you have been using. Let's say you are using Chrome. You need to download a Firefox browser or you download a Safari browser or any other browser different from the browser you have used before in creating an account. And if you are using a computer, please make sure that you turn off your location. And for you to turn off your location, this is all you need to do right now. To turn off your location, you just need to come to your computer right here. Once you come to the computer, search for location. Once you search for location, click on location privacy settings right here. Once you click on that, click on change right here. You can see my screen. Click on change right here. Once you click on change and turn off, can you see turn off your location? That is how to turn off your location on your computer. And the last thing I want to tell you is that make sure that you are ready before you embark on this process. Make sure that you are ready to create these accounts before you embark on it. Have everything ready before you embark on it. Please don't stop halfway, because once you stop halfway, you might actually endanger the account. So you might actually want to watch this video completely before you embark on the journey. So now let's dive into it. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to go on our browser. Once you go on our browser, you have to search. Let's go to google.com. Google.com. So once you get to google.com, this is what you are going to search. Best random Argentina address. Yes, best random Argentina address. That is what you are going to search. And this is what we are going to pick there. Can you see the first one? Best random address in Argentina. So that is what we are going to go right there. The first one. Now, can you see right here? It says Argentina. Can you see what we are going to pick from here is just the phone number. So all you are going to do right now is just click here. Once you click here, right here, copy the phone number. Once you copy the phone number, now what you're going to do next is just go into your notepad and put it in your notepad. Let me just go into my notepad and I'm going to paste it inside my notepad right here. Just like this. If you're using your mobile phone, you should also follow the step. You can actually put it, pen it down with your paper and pen. Just put it like that. And what I'm going to do right now is just leave it like this. That is the address, and that is all I need from this website. You can actually go ahead and pick on all the other phone number on this particular website. You can actually pick other phone numbers on this particular website. So now what I'm going to do next right now is that I'm going to go for the address, but I'm not going to pick address from this particular website. This is where I'm going to pick my address right now. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll go back to google.com. Once I go back to google.com, what I'm going to input is Argentina address mix generator. That is what I'm going to do. Can you see the first one says random address in Argentina? Make sure it is generator mix. You can actually put mix generator or generator mix. Just click on it like this. Once you click on it, you are going to have this particular page right here. It says random address in Argentina. You're not seeing it very well. Let me just change the position of my picture, so my video, so you can see better. It says random address in Argentina. So change this one to about 12 and all. Just change it to Buenos Aires. That is the capital of Argentina. So just put it like this and click on generate. Processing, and this is it right here. This is so you can just go with anyone right here. So what we are going to do right now is copy everything right here like this. Can you see the way I copied everything? Just copied everything like that. So once you copy it, come to your notepad again and also paste it in here. Paste it in here. So right now we have our phone number and we also have the address to use for this Argentina. So now the thing we are going to do now is we have to look up our postal code to make sure this postal code is actually correct. This particular postal code I mark right here. Can you see this particular postal code? I need to make sure that it is correct because once you fill in a wrong postal code, you are going to be denied before you finish the application. So it is very, very important to know what you are doing. So right now I'm going to look for this postal code right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back on Google the third time and search for Argentina on google.com, and I'm going to search for Argentina postal code lookup. Postal code lookup. Can you see right now? It says Argentina postal code lookup. Sorry, my picture is actually affecting everything, but I'm going to adjust it right now so that you can actually see very well like this. I think it's better. So I think it is better like this. So you can see Argentina postal code lookup. This is where you are going to click right now. Argentina postal code lookup. Just click on it like that. So it is going to load. Let's wait for it to load. So once you get to this website right here, it says europaco.com. That's the name of the website. So what you're going to do right now is copy this postal code B1663 and I'm going to paste it inside the postal code. Can you see select country? Argentina is there already. So what I'm going to do is paste it in here and I'm going to click on search. So I've clicked on search. Can you see no results were found? That means I actually picked a wrong postal code. It is a wrong postal code. So if I use this particular postal code to register for this paper, we are going to get banned before we finish the application. So right now we are going to go back to this particular website where we picked the address from. So we are going to pick another address. So let me pick another postal code. I'm going to look for another postal code right here. Let me copy this one right here. I'm going to copy this one right here, B1663. So now once I copy it, I'm going to go to this search again. You understand it just like where I'm searching for this postal code. So I'm going to paste it in here and search. So it's searching. It says no results were found. I'm going to go ahead until I find one I can use. So I'm going to head over to where we copied the address from. So I think I have a new one right here beside. Can you see right here? This one, Instituto Samerno Franciscano. So I'm going to copy this postal code right here, 0234, and search if we are going to have a right postal code. So let me just put in here right and search. So let's search for it. Let's say, can you see it says zip code 0237 Bernardo. The city is La Reja. So we have the right address. So I'm going to copy the old address right here. I'm going to copy the old address right here and I'm going to replace it with what I pasted in the address in our notepad before. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to paste the new one I just copied inside here. You understand what I'm trying to say right now? That is our new address right now. The one I copied before is actually not going to work again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this new address I just copied on the screen. So right now we have the address, then we can close everything. So right now we have our address, we have the phone number to use, and now this is time for us to register our paper account. Make sure I told you that there is no VPN. Please don't use a VPN, and make sure you download a new browser if you have already opened a paper account with one of your browser in the past and they have actually banned you. So make sure you open a new browser or you clear the cache. If you don't know how to clear the cache of your browser, download a new browser different from your browser. And for the PC users, make sure you turn off your location on your computer. I showed you how to turn off your location in the computer. And now let's go ahead to open our paper account. So now let me show back the screen right here. So what we are going to do right now is go to paypal.com/ar. Sorry, paypal.com/ar. So once you click on it, it is going to show you this particular website right here. Can you see? We are on to Argentina paper. We are going to create Argentina paper accounts because Nigerian paper cannot receive money and South African paper is not working again. For those of you that still have the South African paper, it might still work for you. And for those that have the Dubai paper, it might still work for you. But if you try to create a new account with South Africa or Dubai, you might actually get banned. That is why we are moving into Argentina right now. And this is how to register for Argentina paper right now. So here you are going to have this particular website in their language. I think it's Spanish, but you need to translate this to English on your computer or on your browser. All you need to do is just right click. Once you right click on this screen, you are going to see translate to English. So now I've clicked on it, and you are going to see that it has been translated to English. Sorry, my screen is actually disturbing, but I need to adjust right now so you can see what I am saying. Can you see right there? My picture is kind of a bit little, but you are going to manage it like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and register on this particular platform right here. So what you're going to do right now is click on register for free. Can you see? It says buy and send payment, buy and receive payment, sell and receive payment. So what we are going to do right now is click on register for free. So what I'm going to do right now is click on here. Click here. I've clicked on register for free. It's actually loading right now, and we are going to see the screen is going to show for all. So we have this screen also in Spanish, but we are going to translate it to English again one more time. So translate to English one more time. So we are going to have this page in English. It says open a business account, because right now we are going to open a business account on this paper. So right now what we need is our first name, your second name, surname, email, and the password, and we are going to click accept and create account. So I'm going to do it for you right now. So you can actually see right here, I'm currently creating the account. So I'm going to input my password right there. Sorry. So that is my password right here. And I'm going to click on this place, mark, and then accept and create account. So that is it right here. Can you see it is loading? And let's wait for it to load. So I think it's actually showing Spanish again, but we are going to translate it back to English. So let me translate this page to English so we can see what it is saying. It says confirm your email with a code. So now I'm going to send a code by email. So just click on it, and they are going to send a code to my email right here. So let me go back ahead to my email, and let's see if the code is in here. Can you see service at paper? So the code is right here now. So I'm going to copy this code inside the paper. It says 66828. So I'm going to copy it right here, and I'm going to paste it inside the paper account. So I'm going to paste it. Can you see I've pasted the code right there? I'm going to click on send. Hang on, ready, hang on a minute. So right now I have this page right now. It says activate your account to start using paper. So now what I'm going to do is click on begin. So I'm going to click on begin right now. So here it says individual or company. So I'm going to go with sole proprietorship, which is individual seller or whatever. So right now I'm going to click on this one, individual seller or sole proprietorship. So I'll click on that. It says company type. So I'm going to click on sole proprietorship. Can you see? Sole proprietorship. Click on sole proprietorship. Once you click on that, then click on following. So just click on that, and here it says I should enter my date of birth and everything like this. So right now, make sure on this page you are inputting your real name. So now I'm going to input my date of birth, and I'm going to input the phone number. So the phone number right now is we are going to go back to our notepad. We are going to go back to our notepad right here. Can you see our notepad right here? And make sure you copy the phone number you copied in your notepad, the phone number you copied. But there is the trick I want you to know. Can you see this number end with 2974? 2974, we are going to perform a magic right now. This 2974, you can interchange it and make it like 4792. Don't put it the way I copied it. Don't put the way you copied it. Make sure you change something there. It doesn't really have to be a real number. Just make sure you interchange this particular 4 digits at the back of this number. So 2974, I'm going to interchange it to 9247. 9247. Can you see I've changed the number, and I'm going to remove the space in between it. Then I'm going to copy the number into our paper right now. So I'm going to copy the number right here. Can you see I've copied the number right here? So now we are going to go ahead to our address. Do you know that we copied our address into our notepad? So we are going to copy the address also. The first one is the street. So we are going to copy everything like this. Copy. Once I copy, I'm going to put it into address line 1. Can you see? And the next one I'm going to do is the town. The town is La Reja. So I'm going to copy it and put it into this town. Into town is also the city. So just put it into that place. And the province is actually the state. So the state is actually where? Can you see Brno area province? Just pick it like that. So, and now the postal code is 0237. 0237. Copy it also and paste it in the postal code right here. And can you see we are done? And what we need next is our date of birth. Make sure you use the date of birth on your document. You know, if you have a driver license or a voter's card, or make sure you have a Nigerian ID card. It is very, very important, especially your NIN. NIN plastic card is acceptable. You can use NIN plastic card, not the slip. So make sure you use your real date of birth on your ID card. So now I'm going to enter my date of birth right now so we can continue. So right now I've entered my address, my date of birth. Then I'm going to click on following. Following is also the mini continue. So you can just click on following to go ahead. So now it says it's actually loading right now. So yeah, it says tell us about your company. We securely store the information you shared. So now what you're going to use is click on just use your full name for now. Just click on that. Use your full name for now. And it says what is your company registration number. We are going to leave this one empty. Don't put anything in there. Don't put anything in there at all. And here it says what is the company main currency. So you are going to leave it as American dollars. American dollar. Don't change it. Just leave it as American dollar. If you don't have American dollar there, you can just click it and find American dollar. You know, we have Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Just leave it as American dollar. And here it says, what do you sell or what service do you offer? So now we are going to click on digital service. So let's search for it. Digital products. Can you see digital products right here? I've clicked on digital product. It says, do you have a website address? Do you have a business website? We are going to click on no. We are going to click on no right here. You are going to click on no. And it says, what is the business address of your company? And now you have to click on use your residential address. The address we enter in before, we are going to use the same thing. But instead of you to enter it again, just click on this mark and it is going to pre-fill it for you. Can you see? And what you are going to do next right now is click on following. So now we have this page right here. Let me translate to English for us to see. Please complete the customer identification process to avoid interruption to paper service. So here it says place of incorporation. Place of incorporation, we have to pick in Argentina. Like I said, we are going to pick in Argentina. So right now, what we are going to do right now is pick Argentina right here. And we are going to click on send. We're going to click on send right here. It's actually loading. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. So I'm going to translate this particular page to English so we can see what it says. Can you see? Congratulations, everything is ready. We send you a confirmation link via email to verify the email. So what we are going to do right now is go and verify our email address in our mailbox. Now, we can see inside the mailbox right now, we have a lot of mails from paper. Can you see we have a lot of mails from paper? But I'm going to check the one which is for the confirmation because it is not coming in English. So I'm going to see the one. Can you see this one is for email because I'm seeing something like confirm or whatever. But I think I can translate to English in my mail also. So yes, then confirm your email. So what I'm going to do right now is click on confirm your email and it is going to open another browser for me where it says I should just enter my password. So once I enter my password, I'm going to confirm this particular email. So right now, I'm going to click on login. Once I click on login and let me convert this to English for us to see. Your email has been confirmed successfully. So I'm going to click on continue. So now we are on this page right now. We have successfully opened a PayPal account. But that is not all because once you scroll down, you are going to see some other things that we have to do. Can you see notifications? It says, let me move my video away from here so you can see. It says, we want to confirm that your PayPal account information is accurate as we dictate some suspicious activities on it. To better understand these movements, we need you to provide us with information about yourself. You must provide us with information required to regain full access. So what we are going to do right now is click on see details. Once you click on see details, we are going to see what we actually need to do. So right now it says what we need to do is upload a photo ID. So if you have your passport or your driver license or your NIN card or your anything, you need to take a picture of it, the front and back, save it on your computer or on your phone so that you'll be able to upload it. So right now we need to click on solve. So once I click on solve, it says I should upload my document on our passport. So right now I have a national identity document. I don't have a driver license and I don't have my passport here with me, but I think I have my national identity on my computer. So I'm going to go along with my national identity card. So right now it says I should drop this particular document inside there, load this particular national identity card into it. I'm going to upload it. Can you see my NIN card? And I'm going to upload it right now. So I'm going to upload the front alone because they're asking for just one document. So I'm going to click on send. So your information has been sent. Go to account limitations. So what I'm going to do right now is just go to the account limitation to see what is actually going on with this account. It says sent and it says we are reviewing your information and we will contact you regarding the status of the case within 1 day. But I tell you that it does not even take 1 day. It does not even take 10 minutes. Within 1 to 2 minutes, it has been resolved. So let me go ahead and go to my email right now. It says we are reviewing your information and let's wait for it to load within 1 business days, but they are going to actually rectify it very, very soon right now. So can you see before I leave here, the email has entered. Your account has been reset. We have reviewed documents. We now access. Can you see limitation? We have eliminated the applied limitation. So my account has been resolved right there. So what I'm going to do right now is go back to the home and I am going to see that my account has been successfully so right now, can you say activate your account to use PayPal 2 of 3? So the last thing we need to do right now is associate a bank account. So right now, this is where the issue is. Please don't try this thing now. You have to wait for about 48 hours before you try to link a bank account or a card. Please, it is very, very important. Let me look at your face so that you understand what I'm trying to say. It says you want to connect a bank. I know you might actually have a card that you want to try. Please don't try it until after 48 hours, 2 days. Don't try to link a card until after 2 days because if you try it now, they are going to suspend your account because they will see it is an illegal account or probably a suspicious activity. Please don't try to link a card or a bank account on this particular paper that you just opened. So if you want to link a paper account, you can actually go online and search for or GPay. Search for GPay, you can have accounts with them whereby they can give you a written number and account number you can actually attach to your paper and they can actually offer you a debit card also to use with your paper account. But make sure right now that you do not select your bank account until after 48 hours. It is very, very important. But right now, we have our paper set up completely for use. Can you see right here? We have a $0 and you can actually use this paper. But make sure that you don't perform any suspicious activities because PayPal is very, very strict and they can limit you immediately they detect some illegal activities on it. PayPal is very, very strict. The reason why we use PayPal is because Nigerian does not support PayPal. You can only send with it, but you cannot receive money with it. But most companies that you work with, all these online Ozu, side Ozu, they actually want to pay you with PayPal because they believe all countries support PayPal except for Nigeria. But that is why we created this backdoor for us to actually use PayPal. Please make sure that you don't use VPN on this particular account. And that will be all for now. If there is any update about PayPal, I will continue to give you on this channel. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do so right now. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a video on this channel. Thank you so much and bye for now.